Yo. Boss up, boss life. Started from the bottom, now I'm getting right. Boss up, boss life. Started from the bottom, now I'm getting right. Boss up, boss life. Started from the bottom, now I'm getting right. Started from the bottom, now I'm coming to the top. Stay prayed up, everything will be alright. Straight out of Southside Jamaica, Queens, you know what I mean, yo. Please don't cross the lines, I'm not with the scenes, yo. I'm tryna stay incognito, like a Beto. I moved from the city, now I'm done up in the South, now I'm in the Queen City, yo. Ironically, I must be the Southside prodigy. I'm tryna make the money come continuously. I reach to the climax with knowledge, babe. You'll be surprised by the outcome. Outcome for all the pain, sweat, and done. What fun without none? Gotta make it sweet like honey buns. Hit the sweet spots, now you gotta lick the rapper. When you see me, you see a certified hustler. Started with the hand-me-downs, I got my own equipment. Couple years later, then I got my shit branded. A whole lot of people see the growth and can't stand it. I don't give a fuck about what they're really thinking. I'ma just go ahead and keep winning. Because boss life. Yeah. I don't think I understand, man. Hold up. Boss life. Boss life. Yeah. Let's get it.